Gather your ingredients. Some people prefer not to use alcohol-based hand sanitizer, since alcohol has a strong smell and can have a severe drying effect on skin. Witch-hazel-based solutions are not effective against viruses and bacteria. Here's what you will need. 1 cup pure aloe vera gel, preferably without additives. 1½ teaspoons witch hazel. 30 drops tea tree oil. 5 drops essential oil, such as lavender or peppermint. Mixing bowl. Spoon. Funnel. Plastic container. Stir together the aloe vera gel, tea tree oil and witch hazel. If the mixture seems too thin, add another spoonful of aloe vera to thicken it. If it's too thick, add another spoonful of witch hazel. Stir in the essential oil. Since the smell of the tea tree oil is already strong, go easy on the added essential oils. 5 or so drops should be enough, but if you want to add more, stir it in 1 drop at a time.